Kalong shisha ke jingkemen ke bakrau na gebenta ki pajba jong kathan mauhati haba ke jing angnot ba ke Jingphohsniew jong ki babon balang ban yo ya ke mauhati sinadi blok. Menta ke sengi kini ke jing angnot jong ki ke la Urlong limba ke jing Iasoh ke jing Tristom bat ke jingkot jingmut ke baskem hagaba menta ke sengi na keleng menteri ramba ke jela ukonat ki sama ulali ban pli pajba no ya ke mauhati sinadi blok ha ke snong salat. Ya kani ka sina di blok bathmai jang kamauti konstituensi lawan ban pli bajba du konot ki sangma bani menteri rambak kejela hag jinglang belak pelong ha salat harkat ke jinga donlang u iti mandal menteri badipet ya ketrat community and rural development ba Charles Marngal MLA ke Mauti u Dr Celestin Lingdo MLA ke Umsning u Abilash Baranwal deputy commissioner ke Ribhoi nolor kiwei di ki he officer ki Rupakmat bat kipajba kathan Nagaliang u MLA ke Mauti konstituensi ba Charles Marngan ke Menomi Khmat jong ketika konstituensi Luong. Menta ke sengi ke lalong shisha ke jingkemen ke bakrau nak benta jong u kum MLA ke Mauti. Hakba hakini ke sengi ke Jingphohsniew jong u ke layo ban Urlong hakini ke sengi. Baru ai kublai ru yo menteri rangba ke jelang bola Shim Khia ban Urlong ya kini kamat ke jingdawa jong u ringkat ke than bat ke konstituensi hi barok kewei. Hagri kesingi nolo ke jingpli pajba ya ke mauhti sina di blok la yo ru ban ai jingirap yaki kena school daga basam yaki mtap lingba ke scheme student digital learning scheme.
Crowd, haga baga Jingphohsniew tolan, la pen Urlong, haga ni kesini. The chief minister, jom kejelah kejeni usaha kontrak sana. Ngai kulai terpang yang chief minister. Buat Urlong yang kena Jingphohsniew, ngalah manom, unik chief minister, ubah omkan kecil, ndai dapat kamu. Cuma dengan join NPP, kena kewai yang Jingphohsniew, ya Jingphohsniew jangan bat shisha kalau Urlong. Ya Jingphohsniew jangan ya ke blok ke berteman. Dari kewai pat ke lenong dari ke chapter ke berteman, jangan ke mauhti konstituensi. Hadir san ku arslan, kami layu ya ke jelah ke jangan. Mentang ya kesian abi blok hanya mauhti. Kumu MLA jompi berkerja yang berpunca. I have my responsibility. Nadam sedikit. Lalu kepercayaan kekeren namanya. Sisian mengasim yang sedikit ini. Menghabannya cuma. Lalu menambah baik jauh konstitusi. Ngai kubeli usiam nak muda. Jadi Shimkhia kejuh. Tang yang kesian abdi blok baik ini. San puasnya kejelang iladap. Iranggan kumakrak naik di kisnang haboda di bangkatan school building. Ngalai ahing jogging officer. Lady. Bagaimana kita ke sekolah jam-jam orang. Semoga naik kembali. Yo chief minister. Mulai rap depan dia ke konsumsi. Nasukumen bo chief minister ulak pulang. Ban Urlong yo surok nasoi dan syamsia. Saya dijingkran, ubah belum jangan ini konsumsi, udah ini surat berangsa 100 kilometer. Nah itu dari depan chief minister, deputy chief minister, nak mereka belai ke surat morong 100 kilometer. Nah itu dari depan chief minister, ya ke kabinet belai ke surat morong naik. Nama wasnai syakdo hati 40 kilometer. Ngai kulai terpang. Nama bikil ai yo surat hapam latar 4 kilometer shen sa pentrena. Ngai kulai terpang. Nama bikil ai yo surat 100 kilometer boleh susnam lungkoi. Ngai kulai terpang. Nada benda surat nasentu mau semau tari ubila sedang tray mentah kita pro kita ngai kulai terpang nada benda surat akli utro ubila sedang tray mentah sau pro kita ngai kulai terpang nada surat utrai sambanai nada benda NPP bagi Sorkar Lại đẹp xiang vòng Vậy bà vì ai xin xin cái chuyện lên Đồng là Ý xin xin sở Và cái cha đi lại Vậy bà vì Xóa mga may banjan Maka Sorkar Ngalakit Lupa Magibabon Pintiran Và Kynthoh ina Ngan sa Shah keren Ngan sa Shah Kynthoh Ngai nga sacrifice Nga len niya labing Nga ray lang pa Ringkat bagi Dr. Jingphohsniew bagi Pak Gabriel Wala Banjan bagi Pati bagi Sorkar Nama nasutu ladang-ladang Hakajuk ke Jakarta Kemau hati jongi Dan don dan Kynthoh Kalau baca semangat umsak dan Nyempat yo ikasih anak di blok menang sih Kalau baca semangat umsak dan Umpat yo ikasih Baik-baik ini Ijai tenru nilainya Lada di Lupa Dari Lupa Nasa terap sulai dalam sin haborkan Kejingkeli kalau Ipara yang pertah ijai berbeda Dan yo sini sekolah lebih Laku buka Berbab ini Kawai kemangapa Kalau
opportunity for me to be present on this historic occasion to grace this program with the most important infrastructure that will change the economic activity of the people of this region. Under the able leadership of our dynamic Chief Minister Sri Kynthoh, this is not the first block in his last term. He has opened 9 blocks in different difficult areas.
That as a government we have been committed to taking administration closer to the people. There were close to 1 lakh people and population under the Urlong block. Some people in certain parts of the area had to travel more than 100 kilometers to be able to reach Urlong block. And that is why, as a government, we strongly felt that this must change. And therefore, this commitment to ensure that we are able to provide the services, the facilities closer to the people has led to this day being possible. I was jokingly speaking to Dr. Bong. I said, thank you so much for coming out here to be part of this program. So he was saying, yes, it's just a neighboring constituency. So I asked him, did you come to also bid farewell to those villages which will not be in Urlong block anymore? Urlong block was so big. As I said, it takes hours sometimes for people to come. And therefore, keeping that aspect in mind, even the pressure that was there under Urlong block for the officials to work, to cover the area, affected the kind of quality of service that we could provide at the grassroots level. And hence, as correctly mentioned by the Honorable Minister, that this will not only help the people of Mohati constituency, but will also ensure that the overall services within the Urlong block is also improved. I also would like to share with you on some administrative reforms that we have been working very hard for. They will take some time to happen, but we are working on it. As a government, in the last 7 years, we have seen that there are many services that the government provides, and people have to go to the block for a certain service, the subdivision for a different kind of service, and then to the district headquarters for other government services. And we have been exploring the possibility of being able to provide most of the services through the block offices themselves. Why should an individual have to go to the DC's office to get their caste certificate when we have a very strong and competent block office right there available? Is there a mechanism within the administration which we could reform where the powers remain with the Deputy Commissioner's office, but the people don't have to travel all the way to the district headquarters for that service? And that should be available right there at the block office. Now this requires a lot of reforms, technological intervention, but this is something that we would like to see, that if possible, not just the block, we would like to see that we would be able to provide these services all the way at your doorstep. So recently we have started what we call the VDVs, the Village Development Volunteers. I think some of them might be here. And the concept of having these volunteers is actually to provide that grassroots and door-to-door service at the village level. So we have about 1,500 to 2,000 of them with handheld devices, technology in their hand. Hopefully, as the days come, as we move forward with these reforms, we are hoping that the senior citizens will not have to go to the block to get their old age pension.